Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Envy 6455 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for HP Envy 6455 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP Envy Pro 6455 all-in-one printer software. Open that up, and then just scroll down here, and then you just want to expand the installation software and drivers section, and locate the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software in the download button for that, and then select Open File, and it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select Yes, and then just proceed with the installation guide here. Give it some time to run, and then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.